Tommy V in Michigan. He was on fire this morning.
Okay, thank you, Tommy V in Michigan. Yes, sir. If you share my prayers.
Tommy V's on. Yeah, we'll jump over there.
Tommy V doing great stuff over there.
Okay. Would you raise your right hand, please? State your name. Solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you're about to give is true to the best of your knowledge, information, and belief?
I do.
Okay, state your name, Detective.
Detective Vanderhoff with the Railroad Police Department.
Okay, calling case IN 2400174744. This is swear to in the matter of Laiva Jolly. Detective, please state the facts in this case as you know them.
I do, Your Honor. So on May 18th at approximately 2:20 in the morning, officers were dispatched 212 in the city of Royal Oak. They got a call regarding an assault that occurred. Miss Jolly was at Double O, which was a bar in downtown Royal Oak with a couple friends, and didn't want to leave the bar. Her friends were able to talk her into leaving. When they left and were walking through the parking structure, she continued to yell at her friends. One of them specifically, Owen Cassidy, and Owen Cassidy said if she wanted to talk to him, that she could walk over and speak to him. She came over and ended up punching Mr. Cassidy in the face several times. There was also another friend who was a witness, Gage Warrens, and he also advised officers that they were verbally arguing, and he saw her walk over and punch Mr. Cassidy in the face several times. When officers were speaking with Miss Jolly, her eyes were bloodshot watery. She was unable to stand, and she was highly intoxicated. And when they got her back to the station to book her on the assault charges, she was refusing to go along with the process and causing issues where she was not able to be booked until as of right now.
Okay. The court finds that the alleged crime was committed and probable cause to believe that the defendant committed said offense. The court will sign and issue the complaint and warrant in this matter. Anything additional, Detective?
Not at this time, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Yep. So who do we have? Is that the Royal Oak Jail? You talk to your client?
No, he's going to breakout room.
Judge, I need a breakout room, Your Honor.
Okay. Do I use the iPad that you had, Detective?
Yep, I'm going to hand it to her right now.
Okay, appreciate it. I'll get you guys in the next 2 minutes.
Step right in here.
We're not
gonna forget about
And counsel, what's your client's name? So I'll know when I put you in the breakout room when you come back.
Jolly, last name Jolly.
Thank you. Put the two of you in the breakout room.
A few moments later.
Okay, I'll close this up.
Oh, wait. Hold on. We're going to have 2 tablets going.
Okay.
This one.
I don't know why it's connected to your screen here. But I'm here, just wait for the room, so I was gonna ask them a question.
I can close out one. I just don't know if you want me to or you want to close out one. I'm not sure which one to close out here.
Can you leave both Royal Oak one signed on? Because she's on the one tab, and then Detective Vanderhoff.
I'll leave both of them signed on. I got two Royal Oaks. I got two Royal Oaks signed on. I'll leave them signed on. Calling case Ida Nora 24-00-17474 in the matter of Libya, Libya, Jolly. Counsel appearance for the record.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Jeffrey Glazer, P46892 on behalf of today's hearing. Judge, I did meet with Ms. Jolly. I advised her of her rights. I also advised her of the charges against her as well as the maximum penalties. She will need a court-appointed attorney at the next hearing with the state intermediate with respect to all matters.
Okay, I'll indicate that your client stands mute. Court-appointed counsel has been granted in this matter. Ma'am at the jail, would you please state your name for the record? Ma'am at the jail, would you please state your name for the record?
Olivia Jolly.
Thank you. Counsel, would you like to address bond in this matter?
Yes, Judge, thank you. My client's 21 years of age. She's currently residing in Oxford, Michigan. She's a lifelong resident of Michigan. She is or was working at Tim Hortons. The job is still available to her, but it's in jeopardy if she doesn't get out shortly. I don't believe she has an extensive criminal history, Judge. She will appear as directed. I'm asking for a personal bond or a nominal cash bond.
Okay, Detective, anything you want to add?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
Good morning, Your Honor. Detective Vanderhoff with the Royal Oak Police Department would like to speak on behalf of cash bond for Ms. Jolly. I'd like to point out to the court that Ms. Jolly is currently on probation out of Macomb County for domestic assault. In 2016, she was convicted as a juvenile with assault with intent to do great bodily harm, and now she has a new assault charges in front of her. With that, she does have assaultive issues, and I believe a cash bond is appropriate, and along with alcohol testing.
Okay, thank you. I do have in front of me, counsel, where your client in Macomb County is actually serving a 12-month probation matter on a domestic violence as of last month, I believe, as of March, I should say. So there is some concern for the general safety of the public. There seems to be some consistency here with violent matters that your client doesn't seem to be able to gain control of. So based upon that, the bond will be in the amount of $3,000 cash surety, no 10%. I do have some other conditions that I want to go over with your client on this matter.
It was with my
The
dad.
defendant will not have any direct or indirect contact with the only witness in this matter, Cassidy on or any other witnesses. The defendant will not assault, beat, molest, or in any way verbally harass, intimidate, or threaten any witnesses in this matter. Defendant will personally appear for all court appearances, not leave the state of Michigan without permission of the court. The defendant must notify the court immediately of any change of address or phone number. The defendant will not possess any firearms or other dangerous weapons. The defendant shall refrain from using alcohol, any form of THC, marijuana, abusing any illegal drugs or any medication. The defendant is ordered to test 2 times a week for alcohol and drugs and pick up no new criminal offenses while out on bond. Ma'am, do you understand your bond conditions that I've read off to you? But well, I'll tell you what, let me do this first and then we can take your questions. Do you understand your bond conditions, what I read off to you?
I guess so.
I can't hear your yes or your no. Do you understand your bond conditions that I've read off to you?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Okay, all right. So Counsel, anything further? And if you want your client to say something, that's fine, but it's up to you. But anything further from you, counsel? Hold on, ma'am.
Judge, I don't know if these are three separate tickets or one case of three tickets.
Yeah, this is one case under the 2400174474. There are three separate offenses that are listed on this matter.
Having said that, Judge, I have nothing further. If my client wants to talk to you about not about the
Well,
facts.
I don't have anything else I can add, counsel. So I don't want your client to accidentally say anything they shouldn't say. So I'm going to conclude the arraignment at this time.
Talk to my attorney, please. I would like
Pardon
to
me?
I didn't hear.
Can I talk to you, please? I have questions I would like to ask you.
Who does she want to speak with? I'm not sure. I can't really.
Attorney?
I
You want to
can't.
speak to me?
Make-
Do you want to talk to me or the judge?
I don't know. I'm familiar with this, so I want to talk to someone.
Okay, detective, we're all set. We're all set here. You can explain anything that she may have missed as about her next court date or anything that comes up. That she's going to get a copy of this before she's bonded out. Okay.
Okay, sounds good, Your Honor. Thank you very much. You have a good day, sir.
All right, counsel, take care. Good luck to you, young lady.
$3,000. It was a matter of somebody